Scientists have discovered some sharks older than the United States. According to a paper published in Science magazine this week, researchers believe the lifespan of the Greenland shark species could be up to 300 years. And one shark discovered is thought to be almost 400 years old.
Sable Island, a narrow strip of land off the coast of Nova Scotia, is famously known as the graveyard of the Atlantic due to its perilous history of shipwrecks. Over 350 ships have succumbed to the island's shifting sandbars and unpredictable currents, a danger amplified by dense fog and shallow waters. Despite its treacherous reputation, the island has long been a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and researchers. Among its most celebrated inhabitants are the Sable Island horses and gray seals, which congregate in large colonies along its sandy shores. Yet renowned naturalist Zoe Lucas has uncovered a troubling and mysterious occurrence affecting these seals, the enigmatic corkscrew seal phenomenon. This mystery involves spiral-shaped wounds or lesions found on seal carcasses resembling the twists of a corkscrew. Zoe uncovered numerous seals marked by deep, unsettling wounds, raising urgent questions about the cause of this strange and disturbing pattern. Far from isolated incidents, these injuries appeared in alarming numbers, hundreds each year. Between 1996 and 2001 alone, she documented over 4,000 cases. The sheer scale of this phenomenon begs the question, what hidden force is behind this chilling mystery? Initial studies suggested that boat propellers might be responsible for the corkscrew wounds. The spinning motion of a propeller could theoretically create injuries matching the spiral pattern. However, this explanation raised questions, as most seals were found in remote areas far from major shipping routes. Moreover, the precision and depth of the cuts seemed inconsistent with accidents involving large industrial vessels. Further investigation revealed that the great deal predation caused the majority of the cases. The prime suspects included formidable hunters like killer whales and great white sharks. Both are known to target seals and have multiple strategies for catching their prey. However, their hunting methods didn't quite match the corkscrew pattern observed in the wounds. Then there's the Greenland sharks, the deep sea giant. There are strong hypotheses that suggest that they might be the real perpetrator, especially to the already weakened or dead seal. Beyond being predators, Greenland sharks are one of the ocean's most fascinating creatures, with unique characteristics that set them apart. But how large can they grow? Why do they have such astonishing lifespans? Why aren't they safe to eat? And are they really responsible for killing seals? Let's explore some intriguing facts about this remarkable deep-sea vertebrate. The Greenland shark is a true survivor of the extreme. Found in the icy depths of the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans, it thrives in waters often colder than 7 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Fahrenheit. These elusive sharks inhabit depths ranging from 200 to over 2,000 meters, an environment too harsh for most predators. The cold, murky waters not only provide an ideal hunting ground, but also shield the Greenland shark from human activity. This isolation has likely played a key role in its extraordinary lifespan and ability to endure for thousands of years. Equipped with triangular saw-like teeth, the Greenland shark is perfectly adapted to gripping and tearing its prey. These sharp teeth are complemented by powerful jaws capable of exerting a bite force of up to 4,000 pounds per square inch, making it a fearsome predator in its icy depth. Its size is equally remarkable. Averaging 6 to 7 meters in length and weighing up to 1,200 kilograms, it rivals the great white shark in bulk. Yet despite its massive proportions, the Greenland shark is elusive and rarely seen, earning its place as one of the ocean's least understood large predators. The Greenland shark thrives through a slow yet steady existence, perfectly suited to its frigid deep-sea habitat. Its unique features and formidable size highlight its position as a top predator and scavenger. The Greenland shark's survival in its harsh environment is largely due to its highly efficient oxygen utilization system. Living in a food-scarce and low-oxygen deep-sea habitat, it has developed one of the slowest metabolisms among fish. This allows the shark to conserve energy and survive long periods without food. Its ability to extract and use oxygen efficiently ensures it can thrive even in the most challenging conditions. As we get to see the interesting features of this animal, A deeper question is how it hunts for food. While the Greenland shark may seem sluggish, its hunting techniques and dietary habits are surprisingly effective. Despite its slow-moving nature, this apex predator plays a unique role in the marine food web. As we mentioned earlier, the Greenland shark's slow movement is one of the reasons behind its long lifespan. This sluggish pace also plays a role in how it preys on smaller creatures in the sea. In a study conducted by Christian Leiderson titled A Review of Greenland Shark, it was revealed that the Greenland shark moves at an average speed of just 1.2 kilometers per hour, making it seem like an unlikely predator. However, the shark's stomach contents tell a different story. Leiderson found a surprising array of prey within Greenland sharks. Some of the prey were fish, squid, seals, polar bears, and even moose. But how does such a slow-moving predator capture fast, agile animals like seals? Well, part of the answer lies in the Greenland shark's unique feeding strategy. You see, Greenland sharks are both scavengers and ambush predators, taking advantage of weakened or unsuspecting prey. Their cookie-cutter-like teeth are ideal for latching onto and efficiently tearing flesh, making the most of every feeding opportunity. Another fascinating adaptation is its relationship with bioluminescent parasites called onomatocoeta. These tiny glowing creatures attach to the shark's corneas, impairing its vision. However, the light they emit may serve a dual purpose, attracting prey in the dark, deep waters where the shark hunts. Additionally, the Greenland shark has an exceptional sense of smell, which compensates for its poor vision. With these adaptations, the Greenland shark is perfectly equipped to be a stealthy hunter of the deep. These traits not only dismiss the myth of the Greenland shark as a sluggish predator, but also raise questions about how we define superior predators. While killer whales and great white sharks rely on speed and brute strength, the Greenland shark's slow and steady approach to hunting demonstrates that there is more than one way to dominate the food chain. Now, let's investigate the cause behind the corkscrew seal injuries. Could the Greenland shark be responsible? The mysterious corkscrew injuries on seal carcasses continue to puzzle researchers. These deep spiral wounds and clean, precise cuts have been reported in various parts of the world. Early studies suggested mechanical causes such as boat propellers or industrial machinery as potential explanations. However, a major breakthrough came when Andrew Brownlow, a veterinary pathologist, examined 9 dead harbor seal pups in Scotland. Their injuries displayed the same corkscrew pattern previously attributed to boat propellers. Video evidence revealed an adult gray seal attacking and killing a gray seal pup. To the researchers' surprise, the pup's injuries perfectly matched the infamous corkscrew wounds, challenging earlier assumptions. Brownlow then re-examined records of 46 corkscrew seal cases, and his findings were surprising. Over 80% of the seals initially thought to be victims of trauma actually had wounds similar to those caused by gray seal attacks. What was once considered scavenger activity or post-mortem damage was now seen as evidence of a predatory event. This discovery suggests that the real cause of the seals' deaths may not be Greenland sharks or any other sharks, but rather a top predator, gray seals, attacking their own. Gray seals targeting pups may be driven by competition for resources or territorial behavior, reflecting the harsh realities of survival in marine ecosystems. Such revelations highlight the intricate and sometimes brutal interactions with marine life, setting the stage to examine another extraordinary predator, the Greenland shark, a creature whose longevity and adaptations are just as compelling as its mysteries. Did you know that the Greenland shark holds the record for being the longest living vertebrate on Earth? Some researchers estimate that the Greenland shark can live for over 500 years. This extraordinary lifespan is linked to several factors. One key element is its slow metabolism, which is among the slowest of any animal. This reduces cellular damage and slows the aging process. The toxicity of the Greenland shark's flesh may also contribute to its survival. Its meat contains high levels of trimethylamine oxide, or TMAO, a compound that helps protect its cells from the extreme pressures of deep water. However, TMAO is toxic to humans and other animals if consumed improperly. This toxicity may act as a natural defense, deterring predators and allowing the Greenland shark to live with fewer threats in its ecosystem. Despite this, humans have learned to coexist with the Greenland shark. In some communities, its meat is considered a staple, despite its toxicity. In Iceland, its meat is used to prepare a traditional dish called hakkarl. This preparation process is complex and involves several months of fermentation. The meat is first buried to ferment and then air-dried for months. This careful process reduces the levels of trimethylene oxide, or TMAO, making the meat safe to eat. The result is a distinctive dish with a strong ammonia-like flavor, which comes from the fermentation and drying process. The Greenland shark also holds deep cultural and spiritual significance for Inuit communities in the Arctic. Historically, these communities have relied on the shark as a crucial food source, especially during times of scarcity. The shark's liver, rich in oil, was used for fuel, while other parts of the animal were crafted into tools and clothing, showcasing its resourcefulness in Arctic life. With that being said, the Greenland shark is a remarkable predator, uniquely adapted to survive in the harshest conditions. Its slow metabolism, efficient hunting strategies, and impressive lifespan make it a key figure in the deep-sea ecosystem. The mystery of the corkscrew seal injuries, once puzzling, now points to the Greenland shark as the culprit. From its cultural significance to its role in the marine food web, this elusive shark continues to fascinate and reminds us of the ocean's hidden wonders.